What's up guys, hola amigos, and welcome to another video. And today we are going to do a beef braising stew. So please like, subscribe, hit the bell for all notifications, and let's get on with it. For this recipe we need 1 carrot, 1 tin of tomatoes, preferably organic as they are on the dirty dozen, 1 large onion. You also want to get yourself some good quality non-GMO, good quality beef such as this, pasture for life, 100% grass-fed braising steaks here. And also this is smoked garlic, which is absolutely amazing, the taste this will give it. Also I'm going to cook it in beef dripping as opposed to olive oil, but you can use extra virgin olive oil if you want. And finally we're going to use some good quality beef stock. Start by chopping your vegetables into fairly large chunks. Start with, use a very good oil or very good animal fat and get it almost steaming so that you can sear this steak. You want the steak to be super crispy on the outside to develop a great flavour in the final stew. Add your salt and peppered steaks into the hot fat, making sure that it's absolutely sizzling, and cook for around 10 minutes until it's absolutely crispy and golden brown and develops such a great crust on the outside. When the beef is really brown and the pan looks almost burnt, add your vegetables at this point. Then add your beef stock or broth. Then add 1 tin of tomatoes, chopped or plum will do, as they will break up anyway inside of the stew. As an optional extra, I'm going to add some smoky Chipotle chili flakes. Reintroduce your seared braising steaks back into the mixture. So here it is guys, the final stew. Look at the fibres where they've torn off of the beef. It's so soft and tender. The carrots are soft, the onions, the gravy is lovely, rich and thick. This is how you want it guys, and scrape all that stuff off the bottom for extra goodness. And what would this great stew be without something to accompany it? Here, if you haven't already guys, check out my ultimate beef dripping fries on the other video, because these are absolutely amazing and will give it a great crunchy texture on the side of the stew. So here it is, the finished product. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell for all notifications if you haven't already done so. And remember guys to add salt and pepper at the end to your preference. There's already salt in the stock cube and already salt on the steak, so I didn't feel the need to add too much as it was already quite salty. But take care guys, hope you enjoy the recipe. I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care, bye bye.